S31 Cryolipolysis is a non-invasive fat reduction, a solution that safely targets stubborn fat with full area coverage. Unlike traditional dual-side cooling, fully silicone cryo cups with built-in aluminum inner layer for stable temperature control, supports 5 handles and 6 cartridges for customized treatments on all body zones. Temperature ranges from -10°C to 45°C. Visible results after just one session, with 2–5 cm fat loss. Ideal for clinics seeking high ROI, factory direct pricing, OEM or odd welcome.